Hi! In front of me is REALME C21Y, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to choose Connected Devices and tap on Pair New Device. Over here, wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, just click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this Oppo. Now click on Pair in this pop-up and wait for another device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by clicking on the secure icon next to the device and selecting Forget. Then confirm your choice by clicking on Forget Device in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!